Hello, my fearless ones. How's everyone doing? Today is like 12 p.m. today, Sunday. So I'm actually recording this right before it go live. I want to talk to you guys about independent delivery drivers. They're called 1099 or considered gig drivers, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover, show you what company, show you how to search for contracts or companies you can contract. Now, you're not an employee. You're actually signing a contract with different companies. It could be, medical, it could be auto parts, just whatever is available. So we're going to enter in zip codes and search and find different companies that you can 1099. You can make up to $250, even more. I've heard of people making up to $800. It's just depending on how far you're willing to drive. I also want to talk about funding, right? So I was thinking, well, this could actually help some people grow their business. Like, let's just say you're a 1099, but you want to be an LLC. And you actually like, being a contract worker, right? But you don't have the vehicle, the equipment. I have ways to get you equipment financing, okay? So I want you to click the link that says equipment financing at the very bottom or right under this video. I have 3 different links for 3 different funding sources. It's a soft pull, you guys. It will not affect your credit. You do not need to have business credit at all. You don't have to have a Paydex. You don't have to have any of these things. Some companies do want you, depending on what type of loan you get, they do want you to be an established business. But when you answer the questions, then they will actually find sources based off the way you answer your question, okay? So I don't want you guys to hesitate and not apply. I also have a way that you can get funding as a gig worker, but you do have to show proof that you earn at least $3,000 per month. And that can be on your personal side. So you don't even have to have a business bank account in order to get funded. At least $3,000. Now, if you have a low FICO, it will affect if you qualify for funding, okay? So just answer the questions. They'll let you know. I would apply for all 3, you guys, especially if you already have an LLC and you already do trucking. I have helped multiple people that own trucking companies get funding for their business. I wouldn't worry about interest, you guys. The name of the game is to use other people's money to build and scale your business, okay? So I know a lot of people, well, I don't want to get loans. Most companies have debt. I have plenty of business credit cards that I just don't talk about on this channel, but I have debt too. I carry every month to run my business because I need inventory. I have to deal with postage, all of the things that come with running a business. So if you're a delivery driver and you need equipment, you need a new van, this is equipment funding fall under that. You don't, all you have to do is have a 580. Excuse me, I'm reading this and looking at you guys. So you have to have a 580 FICO, no minimum annual revenue on this equipment, and no minimum time in business. So you just got your business license. Today is Sunday, but you got your business license Friday, right? You can apply for this loan and you don't have to have a 700 credit score. All you need is a 580. You don't have to show proof of income. You can get between 10,000 and 5 million. The terms of the loan is between 1 to 5 years, and it takes 1 to 5 days to get funded. So if you have somewhere where you can buy a fleet of cargo vans to run your independent carrier business, you already have people that's willing to drive. You've already did your background, whatever you wanted to do, however you want to run your carrier business. This is the funding that I would go with. Again, the link will be below. I have 3 links. Click them all, answer the questions. They will tell you if you qualify. And stay tuned now. I'm about to do the voiceover to show you what company you can go to see all of the independent driver like gigs or 1099s that need you to drive for their company. Okay, everyone, I'm back with the voiceover. Fully hydrated and I'm ready to go. So the company is CB Driver. And if you notice that it is a lot of new just today, well, yesterday, because today is the 23rd
of October. But just yesterday alone, they have had so many companies add positions or the need for contractors. Austin. Austin is a nice quiet place. I was in Austin in July. Nice place. And then we have Wichita, Kansas. Quiet place. They're looking for a cargo van. Experience any amount. This is not an employee, you're an independent contractor. So what will happen is you will sign a contract directly with the company. And it's telling you what type of company it is, not really giving you the name because you have to go down here. You're going to fill out all of your information, attach your resume, and I'm assuming the resume is just to see what type of experience you may have. So if you are a person that maybe used to drive, I think they're called 16 wheelers or whatever, the big trucks, and you want to be at home, it says home every day. So you can actually start a trucking company or a delivery company locally. So they're telling you they need a cargo van, and it just goes on and on. If you type in Dallas, I was also in Dallas in August for a concert. Okay, so here we go. If you're located in Dallas, they need drivers, and it says right here, Better Trucks. So they're telling you the name of the company. Better Trucks, 1099, Fort Worth, Texas, between $100 to $200 per day, and full detail. So just go ahead and go over here. I will have the link to their website below this video. Type in your city and they will tell you you can join for free. So create an account, and I'm just looking in as a free account. Once you enter in your location, they will definitely tell you what's available. Driver's resources, frequently asked questions. There you go. Building your driving business. It actually helps you with creating a business. They do. So you can build this out and make it into whatever you want to make it into. Now, as far as funding, I'm going to try to go in order as to how the links are below the video. So the first link is going to be for self-employment. Remember, I was saying like a gig worker. And if you just click on that, it says small business and gig worker funding. Here's the requirements. Get funding now. Simple requirements, $3,000 per month for the last 3 months. So you can actually show them your personal bank account. You don't have to have a business license or have a business bank account in order to get funding. They go into detail here. They answer questions. No hard inquiries on your credit. Transparent terms, no collateral required. Payment history earns you more and receive funding again. Add-on funding is available, so you can actually add more funds. You know, you can build a relationship with this funding company that we choose or find for you, and you can continue to, you know, get funding from that company. And also, as far as like business capital, that's available. Now, the requirements for business capital is a little bit different, but if you click over here, you can see that information as well. And then you also have a line of credit that's available for you, and they actually show you the terms. Now, look at this business line of credit. Between $5,000 and $100,000. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 business day. All you need is a 550 credit score. Now, you do have to show things like how much money is your business pulling in. And once you answer those questions, they will tell you, well, you know, you don't qualify for this funding. You know, once your revenue grow, get back with us. But let's go on to the next company. All right. So the next link, the second one, is here. Let's just say you want to get equipment funding. I apologize, you guys. Let's just say you want to get equipment funding here with South End Capital. Now it says no minimum time in business on most transactions. Equipment financing for startup is available, but 3 months bank statement is required. And you have custom payment structures. Your payments can be stretched with this company. So that's why I like it. You can say, okay, I need to take that whole 60 months to pay it over time. The minimum is 700 credit score, but it says 500 plus can be considered through our marketplace. So that's why I said don't worry about, this is a soft pull. So even if you get denied, then you move on to the next company. But understand that this is not just one bank that we're checking. We're checking multiple funding sources. And we're going to find the best companies for you and send you out offers to tell you, hey, this source offered you X amount of dollars to pay it over a certain amount of time, and you can accept it and go on. Again, I can't stress enough, I really do not look at interest rates, but on my personal, because usually when I'm using my personal credit, I'm using it for my leisure, for things that I use for day to day. But when it comes to business, I know that I have a ever flow of cash coming in, and the more capital or the more I can put into my business, the more I can scale my business and I can grow. Businesses fail because they don't have funding. They may not have funding for marketing. So if you need some marketing dollars to run ads, here's your opportunity to do that. And not just for equipment. You can apply for funding for anything as far as your business. So if you need marketing dollars, that's called working capital. So you need capital, you need dollars to market, right? So next company. And here's the application. So if you click the second link below the video, you just fill out this information. And again, everything that's required. Does your business have a website? So if you're e-commerce, right? Yes, it does. They would like to see it. Right? So if you have a boutique, a clothing boutique, you would put that link here. Describe your request. I would just put working capital for marketing, for whatever inventory, whatever it is that you're needing that capital for, you let them know right here. Okay? And it's more about the equipment. We can also do SBA Express. Look at the terms of this loan. Look at the interest rate on this loan. No collateral. You need 2 years minimum in business for some of these loans, okay? And then here's business. Real estate. So if you're like a fix and flip person, you like to buy, or you need commercial property. You're looking to actually open a brick and mortar. Here's the opportunity for that as well. How do you get this? You go over here and answer the questions, because they will ask you what you need it for. See, right here, type of financing. I need business finance, equipment, real estate. Real estate, again, if you're one of those people that want to flip, here you go. Or you need commercial property. And it says it right here, purchase, refinance, fix and flip, construction, development, bridge, and cash out loans are available in all 50 states plus DC. Our team is experienced with complex commercial loan structures, and we provide flexibility to creative short-term and long-term mortgages secured by a variety of property types. Okay? And I apologize. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible, but give you as much information as possible. Okay, so moving right along to the next company. So this is another equipment. Again, all soft pull, so I wouldn't worry about it. I would just go and apply and see what I can get. This company says no minimum time in business, no minimum revenue in the 580 FICO that I was speaking about earlier in the video. How do you apply? So you're going to click the third link below the video, and it says business funding. Same thing. Enter in your information. Fill it out to the best of your ability. If you don't have everything in front of you when you're applying, then they will ask you to provide them with whatever proof, whatever paperwork, whatever it is that they need to get you funded. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to talk about a way to bring in some extra revenue with this company, CB Driver. And I also wanted to talk about if you wanted to expand your independent delivery driving business and make it into a LLC. And again, they actually have resources to help you grow your business filing. So I'm sure this talks about, how to get your business license, all of this good stuff right over here. I will click here once I get. So you're subscribed to my channel and you're looking for ways to grow your business, or you don't know, you don't have a business formula, what idea, whatever it is that you're looking for. I'm gonna try to talk about finances all the time, you guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I just came off a small mini vacation and it was wonderful. So I'm back at work. Try to put out a video Tuesday, which is the 25th for you guys. Until next time, I want you to stay fearless. Go ahead and click those links below the video to get you funded, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.